Hi everyone, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate here, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Office 365 on your desktop. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL, type in office.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. You will land on this page. Now, in order to log into your account, head over to the upper right corner. There you will get sign in button. Click over there. And on the next page, you will land on sign in page. Now, in order to log into Office 365, you have to log in with your Microsoft account. For that, enter your email address associated with the Microsoft. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you can simply create that by clicking on this link provided that says create one, and that will help you to create a new account. Or in case if you can't access your account, you can simply recover your account if you go on this link provided that says can't access your account. Follow the procedure and then you will be able to recover your account. Now once you're done typing in your email address, click on next, and on the next page, type in your correct password. In case you forgot your password, you can simply recover if you click on forget password, or if you want to go through the email, you can simply click on this link provided that says email code to your email address and log in with the code provided to your email. Here I'm going with my password. Once you're done typing in your password, click on sign in. If you want to stay signed in, the next time you don't have to enter your login credential, click on yes or click on no if you don't want that. And with that, you will be logged into your Office 365 account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.